Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Planning and Design. In the previous video I have already discussed about some kind of basic introduction about AutoCAD, and now in today's video I am going to discuss how to actually create a customized workspace for you by using AutoCAD. Uh, Today for this purpose the version I am going to use is AutoCAD 2021, and I am going to show you that how to actually customize a workspace. And I think if you work in customized workspace it will be much easier for you, and I think I'm kind of obsessed with it because I am using the customized workspace for 3 to 4 years. Now first of all, let's jump into it. What I'm going to do, as you can see here, the space in which we have working already is drafting and annotation. Now I have already created a customized workspace, and I am going to show you that how it looks like. You can see here this is the customized workspace. There are some kind of tools, like these are draw tools, this is draw order, and these are modify tools, and this is some kind of other tools like modify and layer and other kind of things. So I am going to show you how to actually customize this for you. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna again click in drafting and annotation. I'm going to here, and just first of all what I'm going to do is show menu bar. As you can see here, a new tab appear to be here. This is the menu bar. As you can see, there are different kind of tools like express, windows, parametric, and modify, and other kind of commands. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on tools and palettes. First of all, I'm going to turn off ribbon. As you can see, the ribbon here has actually disappeared, and this actually create a much workspace for me, and I think this will be good here. And now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on tools, and I'm going to toolbars. Now I have to on some kind of different tools like draw order, modify, standard, and properties, these kind of things which I needed in this complete tutorial. And I'm going to AutoCAD. First of all, I want to check this box, draw. Now first tool, this is appear to be here. As you can see here, there are different type of commands like line, rectangle, circle, polygon, other kind of things. And if you want to fix it anywhere else, you can just click on these 8 dots, and you can just drag it and drop it anywhere you want. But I am okay with that, I think. Alright, next I'm going to tools. I'm again going to tool bars, and in toolbars I'm going to AutoCAD and just turn on draw order. As you can see here that a draw order tool has been appeared. There are different kind of things like send to back, bring to front, etc. And in upcoming tutorial we will discuss all the purposes about this and all the use of these toolbars. And now I'm going to just turn on these tools. Alright, now I'm going to AutoCAD. I'm just going to turn on layers. As you can see here, the layer tab appeared here. As you can see, you can drag it and drop it anywhere by clicking on these dots. Now a couple of tools are remaining. I think 2 or 3 tools are remaining. Now I am going to just turn on modify. As you can see here, at the right corner, you can see here the modify tools are appeared. There are different kind of tools like offset, mirror, and etc. Now I am again going to here, and toolbars, AutoCAD. I am just turning on properties. As you can see here, the properties appeared here. We will discuss it after upcoming tutorials. Now I am just going to again toolbars, AutoCAD. I am just clicking on, I think, standard, and just another tool remaining, the name of style. I have clicked standard. Alright, you can see that this tab appeared here, and there are different kind of basic tools which we will use in our daily tutorials like pen, match properties, and other kind of tools, cut, copy. These kind of tools has appeared here. Now the one tool is remaining. I am going to again here and AutoCAD. I am just going to turn on styles. So as you can see here, this will be the basic customized workspace which we are going to use in our tutorial, and actually this is good and much easier to work, and once you will use this you will love using it, inshallah. And I recommend you to use this kind of customized workspace. And if we click here without saving this customized workspace, this will remain unsaved and you will again see the drafting and annotation. Now what I'm gonna do, I have to first save this. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just going to click on tools and I'm just going to workspaces. Currently we are working in drafting and annotation, and I have to save my current as, we can say that AutoCAD Advanced, AutoCAD 2, we can say. Just alright, we have clicked here and you can see this AutoCAD 2 has been appeared here. Instead of drafting and annotation, AutoCAD 2 has been appeared here. It means that it has already saved our version. And this is that for today's tutorial. And in the upcoming video, I am going to discuss some kind of menu bars like file to express. I am going to explain all these kind of things one by one. And I'm just going to tell you that for what purpose they are here. And if one other thing is remaining, if you want to change the background black to somewhere any kind of background, you have just go to options. Actually I am using white background for a long time, but in this tutorial I am going to use this black one. But if you want to change, you can just go to here and options and just go to display and just go to colors and just go to turn on white and apply and close and OK. And if you come here, that you can already see that this background is white. And if you again go to options, just right click on your mouse here and just go to options again and turn it black. You can see here in display, you can go to colors and you can turn it to any color you want, and this will be the turn into black background. And that's it for today's tutorial. In the upcoming tutorial I'm discussing about something new, and that's it. Thank you.